Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock the drawing tool in PowerPoint. Let me just get these squares first. Okay, so for instance, I want to create a line continuing from the here to here, and then here to here, and then here to here. And I don't want to have to like copy and paste it every single time. So what you'll need to do, go to shapes, and you are just going to right click on the line, and we're going to select lock drawing mode. We're then going to, we're then going to drag this line to here, and then if I go back to the point, it's going to allow me to then create a line again, creating this thing. Ta-da! That's it, basically. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!